tonight I clearly see life is small but still for me. Let the engine sing again, past the sorrow, past the pain. Morning waits beyond the blue, holding something bright and new. Night will fade, but I will ride with the dawn just by my side. Coffee warmth and fading stars guide me home